So let's start with it. Now, last class we did about, we talked about the trend where and werben, mitmachen, then anrufen, these things. Now, okay, we'll be doing this. Die Bestellung. Die Bestellung means the order. When we go to the restaurant, we order something that means Bestellung. Bestellung is order and Bestellen is to order. That means one is a noun, other one is a verb. So here, hören Sie das Gespräch. You'll be listening to a Gespräch, a conversation. Was bestellen Jan und Lila? So what Jan and Lila are ordering, that you need to kreuzen Sie an. You have to cross. Jan and Lila, there are 5 items written here. Apfelsaftschorle. Apfelsaftschorle is some kind of, how do I say this? But wait, I'll show you what is Apfelsaftschorle. It's interesting to see. Yeah, wait. Apfelsaftschorle. Schorle. My God, they don't give पूरा लिखने तो नहीं देगा. हाँ. So this is Apfelsaftschorle. Yeah, this is some kind of appy fizz. अगर आपने पिया है, you know what is appy fizz. So उसी का German version है ये Apfelsaftschorle. जूस नहीं है, it's not an apple juice. Apple juice और appy fizz में फर्क है, आपको पता है. अगर हम apple juice पीते हैं, that's a purely ribbed puree of the apple, and appy fizz, it's more like an apple drink. Yeah, so it's like an apple drink. Apfelsaftschorle. Okay, so ये है हमारे menu card में. और देखते हैं what do we have in the menu card. We have cola. Cola is Coca-Cola. Wasser is water. Salat mit Käse, that is salad with cheese. And pizza mit Gemüse, that means pizza with vegetable. So these are the list of items that we have. And let's see what Ian and Leela orders from the list. So I'll play the Huron. Please be careful with it. 93. That is page, okay, 93. तो मुझे इसमें I think मिल जाना चाहिए. Let's see. Ich habe schon die Tonne geteilt. So here. 93. 93. Yeah, 93. So listen to it carefully.
Guten Abend.
Hallo, wir möchten bestellen.
Ja, gern. Was möchten Sie trinken?
Für mich bitte eine Apfelsaftschorle. Und für dich, Lela? Ich lade dich ein.
Oh, danke. Bitte eine Cola.
Und was möchten Sie essen?
Für mich bitte einen Salat mit Käse.
Gern. Und für Sie?
Für mich bitte eine Pizza mit Gemüse.
Also ein Salat mit Käse und einmal Pizza mit Gemüse.
Können Sie auch Wasser für den Hund bringen?
Für wen?
Für den Hund. Er hat auch Durst.
Ja, natürlich. Ich bringe gleich Wasser für ihn.
Okay, so gehört oder soll ich das noch einmal spielen? Should I play it again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then again.
Guten Abend.
Hallo, wir möchten bestellen.
Ja, gern. Was möchten Sie trinken?
Für mich bitte eine Apfelsaftschorle. Und für dich, Lela? Ich lade dich ein.
Oh, danke. Bitte eine Cola.
Und was möchten Sie essen?
Is shown here. Samriddhi, you here?
Yes.
Yeah, a quick revision. What we are like a quick explanation to what we are doing right now. We are talking about the order. How do we order in a restaurant? So there are 2 people, Ian and Leela. So what they're gonna order from the restaurant, that you need to figure out from the Huron, yeah? So there are 5 items here. Apfelsaftschorle. Apfelsaftschorle is this. I made them see it. It's like an appy fizz drink. Apple ka drink hota hai. Cola is cola. Wasser is water. Salat with Käse, that is salad with cheese. And pizza with Gemüse, that is pizza with vegetable. So these are the menu card. This is the menu card, and you have to figure out from the Huron, from listening a conversation, that what Ian and what Leela are ordering from here. Yeah, so if Ian is ordering cola, you have to cross in here. And if Leela is ordering cola, then you have to cross in here. So this is what we are doing. So yeah, listen to the conversation again, all of you. Understood, Samriddhi? What's the question here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Guten Abend.
Hallo, wir möchten bestellen.
Ja, gern. Was möchten Sie trinken?
Für mich bitte eine Apfelsaftschorle. Und für dich, Lela? Ich lade dich ein.
Oh, danke. Bitte eine Cola.
Und was möchten Sie essen?
Für mich bitte einen Salat mit Käse.
Gern. Und für Sie?
Für mich bitte eine Pizza mit Gemüse.
Also ein Salat mit Käse und einmal Pizza mit Gemüse.
Können Sie auch Wasser für den Hund bringen?
Für wen?
Für den Hund. Er hat auch Durst.
Ja, natürlich. Ich bringe gleich Wasser für ihn.
Okay, so was? Anybody heard anything? Wer bestellt Apfelsaftschorle? Yes or no?
Did anyone order Apfelsaftschorle?
I think I heard. Nobody heard?
I think he was just listing the names of the drinks.
No. She actually, okay, Samriddhi, let's see what you have heard.
Jan ordered Apfelsaftschorle.
Okay. And
Leela ordered cola.
okay, so you think Ian ordered Apfelsaftschorle and Leela ordered cola. And what's your Essen? What is for the food that they ordered?
Leela ordered salad with Käse and Jan
Käse.
ordered pizza. Pizza with.
Okay. And anybody ordered Wasser?
Yeah.
Aber für wen? किसके लिए?
दो.
Book? किसके लिए?
I guess they both ordered water.
अच्छा. But Apfelsaftschorle भी पिएंगे, cola भी, then water also, everybody, everything, they will have it. Okay. So, okay, fine, whatever you heard. Now, whatever you heard, this is in here. The text is in here, but something is missing. So, what is missing? So, this is missing. Now, what is this? So, this is personal pronomen im Akkusativ. So, first of all, what is personal pronomen? For example, imagine if you and your friend went to a restaurant, and if the waiter comes in to ask that, okay, what would you like to have? What anything for drink? Anything like what möchten Sie essen? Was möchten Sie trinken? So normally हम ऐसे बोलते हैं, okay, for me, an orange juice, and for you, Kirti, what would you like to have? Okay, so your friend says, Kirti, that's the name of my friend. So Kirti says, okay, for me, make like a mango shake, right? So I would say, for me, orange juice, and for Kirti, for her, please make a mango shake. Then again, the person asks, was möchten Sie trinken? Was möchten Sie essen? What would you like to drink? What would you like to eat? So I would again say, for me, bring like paneer and naan would go, and then for her, I would ask you, and for you, what would you drink? So what we are doing, we are saying it like for me, for you, for his, for her. So this is you, me, her, but im accusative. Now, ये जो ish mish dish है, this is that. Mish matlab me, dish matlab you. In is a word that we use to describe, or to, I would say, what do you call that? Yeah, it is in is used to talk about the masculine person, and S is for the neutrum, Z for her. So for her, we would use Z. For us, that when we would use us, uns. For both of you, that means you plural. So euch, for her and for them, that's again ZZ. Wait, somebody is messaging me. Yeah. So yeah, for me, for you, for her, for him, for her. This is him, her, like that, like this. And now why it is dish mish? So it is dish mish because it is accusative. So these are accusative. Now, why we are using this as an accusative? Because of the word pure. Pure is the accusative preposition. So whenever we use pure in any sentence, we have to use an accusative with it. Yeah. For example, it's written here pure plus accusative, which means pure is an accusative. Pure matlab for, and it's an accusative preposition. So अगर मुझे बोलना है for whom, yeah, for whom. So whom के लिए, जैसे who के लिए we use the word. Okay, let's understand it here. Warte, nicht so. Ich öffne noch ein Dokument. Yeah. So you need to understand fear and you need to understand the meaning of it. Yeah. So the word says pure. Yeah, so the word says pure. Pure means for. Now, this for is called to be a preposition. For me, for you. And in German, this is said to be an accusative preposition. Yeah, it's an accusative preposition, which means that whenever we're going to use for, we're going to use it, we're going to have it with accusative, whatever it is, accusative article, accusative personal pronoun, accusative personal, like possessive pronoun, like we did, it is her book, her Geiger, like this. So it has to be pure and it has to be accusative. I think Ashwin's here.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, warum bist du spät gekommen? Why did you come late, Ashwin?
Ich verarget.
Wish was?
Verarget.
I didn't get you.
I forgot.
My ears are a problem or your word is not coming properly.
I forgot actually.
Okay, you forgot. Ich habe okay, you forgot. Super. Good. Good. It's a somebody giving actual reason. Okay. So we are discussing personal pronoun in accusative, yeah, personal pronouns in accusative. And why accusative? Because I'm telling them the word für. Für is, it means for, and this is a accusative preposition. German has got three kind of preposition. Dative preposition. We haven't done dative yet, so we are not focusing on dative. Accusative preposition, and we have got mixed preposition. Mixed matlab sometimes accusative, sometimes dative. Now, fear is one such preposition that always go with accusative. It goes with accusative. So now let's see.